let's do some pork chop for breakfast, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, yeah.
True. You can just watch Dada do it, yeah? There's all the pork chop here.
See.
Put a little bit on it. There's a seasoning. Oh, that's a lot. Wee.
Dada.
The pork chop first, and then we can do the hot dog, okay? Pork chop here. Yeah, that's the hot dog. Leave it alone. Okay, we're gonna eat, okay? Okay, cut it yourself. What did Mama gonna cut? Can I have this one? Okay, thank you. What's up, guys? Today's day 1611 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we're currently in Denver, Colorado. This is a day in our lives. We just got done with breakfast and we're about to head out for the day. This is where we camped last night by some apartment buildings. It was a pretty quiet area. We had a pretty good night's sleep here. And we're gonna spend the rest of the afternoon at like a playground or something, because today is actually really nice, like mid-70s or so. So let's go find the playground and play for a little bit. Cookie Monster is very full. This looks like a pretty nice looking park. What do you think, Spence?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can walk around a little bit. Let's find the playground. And later today, we're gonna make the drive down to Colorado Springs. We're gonna be leaving Denver today.
It's nice.
It's pretty nice, yeah. Yeah, we've been to this playground last time. You remember this one? We were here last time, remember? Hi, Spence. Okay. Let me turn off the sound. Hi. Yeah, like that. There you go. Wow, amazing. Are you doing a penguin? Can you give that the high five? Nice, good job. Yeah! Wow, so much bubbles! We're making our way out of Denver now and making our way south into Colorado Springs. But before we leave the Denver area, we're gonna go pick up a bubble tea for Rena at a spot called Sao Cha. Maybe that's how you pronounce it. Okay, we're gonna head over there first. The spot is actually called Sao Ka Bubble Tea. Rena wants the guava lime green tea with jelly. This one. It doesn't look that good. You don't like it?
A little artificial.
Artificial? Just like a flavoring?
The one from yesterday is better.
We're making a drive down to Colorado Springs now. We gotta fill up our fresh water tank. We found on the iOverlander app that this gas station here, Maverick, has a water spigot. Let's see if this works. Looks like this is off. Alright. Yeah, it's not working right now. Guess we'll go to a different one. No good. I see it, yeah. Gas here for 85 is $2.80. Pretty cheap. Let's check on the water. A little ways to go, almost half. Spencer just woke up from his nap. How was your nap? You had a good nap, Spence? Yeah. It's almost full. Wait for the overflow and then we'll shut it off. Here we are. Alright, we're ready. Shut it off.
Oh, there's an orange. I don't know if it's orange.
Yeah, I wonder if we can park here overnight. What do you think? Alright, come to Dada. Wow. I guess today is a bit of a playground hopping day. We are here at a playground park called America the Beautiful Park. It looks really nice. Pretty new looking too. We'll go check it out. And after the park, we're gonna go find a spot, or maybe we just make dinner here first. And then we will look for a spot to stealth camp, but spend some time here while we still got some nice daylight. Wow, this is a nice playground, isn't it? Ah, it's so cool. You go wee. You go wee with mama. This looks fun. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's scary, isn't it? It's too fast. That's a little too fast, isn't it? We'll go a little bit more. I see you. Nice sliding. Whee. Whee. airplane. Well, this is a nice park to hang out. We're gonna go find a spot to camp for the night, and then we're gonna make some dinner. This is where we're gonna be for the night. We're by a park in a residential street. I think this is a pretty good spot. Should be all right. Whoa, whoa, whoa! There's snow. There's snow all over you. And right here, okay? We gotta turn this fire on. We're boiling some water here.
Up.
We gotta set timer for 10 minutes.
Do.
Dirty. You're gonna hold your teeth. Good call. Good.
This is the super simple garlic butter with shrimp pasta. Very hot, yeah?
Da.
Yeah. Yeah. this is my mixed grill with chicken steak, hot dogs,
Hadi,
yeah, and a garlic sauce here. You want to try a little bit?
hadi,
You want to try a little bit?
hadi,
I'll let you try a little bit. It's kind of hot right now. Let me try first. The garlic sauce. Mmm. A little hot, yeah? A little hot. Yeah. Is it good though? A little hot. I'm sorry. It's not that bad. I was able to eat it too. And look at how crispy this is. Ooh, look at this chicken. Wow. Let's try this one. You can hear the crunch for the skin. Crunchy, right?
Pretty good.
I did pretty good on this. We just got done with dinner. We're going to be hanging out here in the van for the rest of the night. It's definitely a slower day for us. And tomorrow we're thinking about going over to the Garden of the Gods. It's a pretty cool hiking trails and really nice sand rock formations. Yeah. So if you guys want to keep watching, hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that I can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Spencer.
Spence? Are you sleeping?
Spence. Hi, Spence.
Are you sleeping, Spence?
Can you say bye bye?
Papa.
Bye bye. You gotta go sleep? Okay. Alright, we'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Can you say thank you for watching?
Papa.
Thank you for watching.
Papa.
Bye bye.